all clothes are made for wearing. We make ours for living. Because the weatherman is often wrong. And Mother Nature can be, frigid. Because 2-year-olds tend to be messy. And great days aren't spent doing laundry. Because comfort's always in style. And confidence is the ultimate dress code. Clothes say a lot about us. At Mark's, we think they should do a lot too. Introducing the new Clearasil Stay Clear 3-in-1 cleansers. Cleans skin and prevents impurities. Proven to prevent breakouts for clean and clear skin. Now with added moisturizers so your skin feels as good as it looks. Clearasil may cause confidence. Clearasil, stay clear for clear skin all day, every day. Accidents happen. It's a phrase we've heard all our lives. Last year, 277,000 Ontarians were involved in workplace accidents, and a total of 84 workers were killed on the job. All of these were preventable. There really are no accidents. Ask questions, and remember, you can always say no to work you don't think is safe. To find out how to stay safe at your job, see the Young Workers Awareness Program at www.ywap.ca. Moosehead has decided to send thank you notes to all our loyal customers, but not the frilly ones with flowers. No, they're not even notes for that matter. They're t-shirts. Sweet looking Moosehead t-shirts. Because we think a t-shirt beats a thank you note any day. You can't wear a thank you note. I mean, you can, but people will stare and not in a good, deeply envious, I love that t-shirt you're wearing kind of way. For a limited time, get your bonus Moose Gear t-shirt inside every 2-4 of Moosehead Lager. No purchase necessary, must be a legal drinking age. Details at moosehead.ca. Humbly thus, lo to the most worthy and respected leisure ambassador. My modesty and womanhood I do tender, but withal, so entangled in this cursed accusation that my defense of force, like Perseus, must personate masculine virtue. To the point, find me but guilty. Sever head from body. We'll part good friends. I scorn to hold my life at yours or any man's entreaty, sir. You are deceived. For know that all of your strict combined heads which strike against this mine of diamonds shall prove but glass and hammers. They shall break. These are but feigned shadows of my evils. Terrify babes, my lord, with painted devils. I am past such needless palsy. For your names of, whore, and murderess, they proceed from you as if a man should spit against the wind. The filth returns in his face. I ever tell you the story about Raymond Qualls? Oh, well, there's not much story to it. It's a boy I had a crush on when I was about 13 or so. A real rough-looking guy. Dirty Levi's, messy hair, a terrible underbite. But he had these beautiful cowboy boots. Shiny chocolate leather. He was so proud of those things. You could tell the way he'd walk around all arms and elbows, puffed up and cocksure. I decided I needed to get me a girly pair of those boots, and I knew he would ask me to go steady. I convinced myself of it, because he'd see me in those boots and he would go, Oh, well, there's the gal for me. So I saw the boots in a store window downtown. I just went crazy. I stayed up all night rehearsing the conversation I was gonna have with Raymond when he saw me in those boots. I must have asked Mama about 100 times for those things. She'd say, "Oh, V, what do you want for Christmas?" Mama, I'd give it all up just for a pair of those boots. Bargaining, So she started dropping hints about this package under the tree. About the size of a shoebox. Real nice wrapping paper. Oh, now V, don't you cheat and look in there before Christmas. A little smile on her face. So Christmas morning, I am up like a shot, boy under the tree, just tearing open my present. And yeah, there were boots in there, all right. Men's work boots. Holes in the toes, chewed up laces, caked in mud and dog shit. My mama laughed about that one for weeks. My mama was a mean, nasty old woman. I suppose that's where I get it from.